appreciate your agreeing to undertake this.
Meeting secretly with sinister types? Much? Not too much. Much too much. Kinda hot in these rhinos. Warm! I had a dog, and his name was Bingo! Time to get some oxygen. No. Come on! Must have air. Come on, girls. Quiet. Let's take a look.
Oh, look! The mother rhino is giving birth.